Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my full review of the Yetagso MagSafe case for the Samsung Galaxy S21FE. Now, I'm going to record this review a couple of days early. I'm still going to drop it on the Friday, but I've actually had this for about 5 to 6 days. So I feel like I've gathered all my thoughts and opinions on it, and that's why I feel like it's time for me to shoot this full review. So hopefully after this review, you guys and gals will know if this case is worth picking up for your Samsung Galaxy device, because this case is actually available for the whole S21 lineup, the whole S22 lineup, the whole S23 lineup, and the whole S24 lineup, and it's available for a variety of different colors. So it's available in a variety of different colors. I can't even talk today. There's been so much recording going on, y'all. When I finally sit down to edit and start publishing everything, oh, we're gonna have videos for a while coming out. But it is available, let's stay on task, in a variety of different colors. It's available in black, which is the one you see here, blue, green, purple, pink, red, and white. And in particular for the S21FE, which is the device we're covering, it's available in black, blue, green, and purple. Alright? And as I said, it's available for all of the Samsung Galaxy series. So the S21 series, the S22 series, the S23 series, and the S24 series. So if you want to add MagSafe capability to your Samsung Galaxy series device, this may potentially be the case that you want to look at. But first, we got to get through the full review. So let's dive straight in. Up first, let's talk about the overall build quality and design of the case. Now, build quality wise, this is like a clear TPU material with a stamped magnet inlay, right? So inside here you have your magnets, and then you have your outer magnetic receiver portion right here. But other than that, this is all TPU plastic, and I have to tell y'all, it is very fingerprinty. So I kind of wish that this had like a fingerprint resistant coating, like an oleophobic coating, because it is very fingerprinty. I wiped it down before the video, and you can see as I push record, it's already picking up fingerprints. But in terms of the build quality, I have to say the build quality is really good. And in terms of the overall design, I like the minimalist but functionalist design that Yetagso decided to go with here. So in terms of the build quality and design, in my opinion, I have to say it's really good. Really good indeed. Up next, let's now talk about the overall fit and feel of the case on my device. So I have my S21FE right here. I also gave it a wipe down, and it also is very fingerprinty when not in the case. But slapping the case on, y'all can see the case goes on super duper easily and snaps right into place. And you can see in terms of the fit, we have pretty much a perfect fit. Alright, perfect fit over the buttons, perfect cutouts for our charging port and one of our microphones and our speaker, another cutout for our other microphone, full protection for our cameras on the back with a nice raised lip around the camera module, but also a nice raised bump over all the individual cameras as well. So if I drop it face down, we're good to go. Okay? Or if I drop it back down, we're good to go. If I drop it face down, we're also good to go, because we do have that nice raised lip. So in terms of the fit, I'd have to say it is top notch. In terms of the feel in hand, I do think the feel in hand is really good. Just holding it with a loose feel, a loose grip, and shaking it, it is not sliding around. So in terms of the feel in hand, it's actually top notch as well. But as I said, I'm not a fan of the fingerprints. Look at this. It's a fingerprinty mess. Like 5 seconds after putting it on my device, it's a fingerprinty mess. But in terms of the fit and the feel, I'd have to say it is top notch. Okay? Jumping over to the protection, which we already essentially touched on. The protection on this one is top notch as well. We have full protection for our buttons, and they still maintain their feedback. Now they're not as clicky as they are without the case, and it is a little mushy, but you still get full protection and it still functions normally. Okay, so in terms of the protection, I have to say the protection is top notch. Again, got that nice raised lip here, so you can drop it face down, no problems. We got full protection for the back and the camera, so you can drop it back down, no problems. So we got maximum protection on this one. And when I get a screen protector for the device, we'll check out screen protector friendliness. But for as of right now, I don't have a screen protector that I could try with this device, but hopefully it is screen protector friendly. But in terms of protection, it does offer maximum protection for my entire device. So the protection on this one is top notch. Top notch indeed. Up next now, let's just briefly run through the positives and the negatives of this case. Then we're going to touch on the pricing. I'm going to give my overall final thoughts and make an overall recommendation. Alright? So, real quickly here, I just want to throw in this disclaimer. If you guys and gals decide to pick up this case for your device and you experience a positive that I did not mention in this video, leave that feedback down below in the comments. Same thing for the negatives. If you pick up this case for your device and you experience a negative that I did not point out, leave that feedback down below in the comments as well. Only through providing our feedback can we get overall improvements on the products that we spend our hard-earned money on. That being said, I will have a full list of the positives and the negatives thrown up in post, so you guys and gals feel free to pause the video wherever you see the list that you're interested in, and let's dive right in. So talking about the positives, as I said before, the overall build quality and design on this one is really good. Okay, the overall fit and feel on this one is top notch. Okay, the overall protection that this case provides is top notch, and it is available for a really great price. The price is something we're going to touch on in a little bit here. So that goes over all of the positives. Now, talking about the negatives with this case, honestly, there's only two. Negative number one is something that I already mentioned in this video. It is a fingerprint magnet, so I do wish it had an oleophobic coating on it to cut down on those fingerprints, because it looks really bad. Okay, it looks really bad. Now in terms of usage, it's fine, but whipping this out of my pocket and seeing all those fingerprints, it's like and then I'm constantly taking out my disinfectant wipes and wiping them down, taking out my microfiber cleaning cloth and wiping them down. The fingerprints killing me, man. So that's negative number one. Negative number two, it does make my device get warm. Like warm to the touch, not hot. It doesn't make my device overheat. I haven't experienced any crashes or anything like that, but I did notice with regular usage, alright, regular day-to-day usage, taking phone calls, watching YouTube videos, using the cameras, playing some games, it gets warm, and it gets noticeably warm, and I think that's because of the case. But you guys and gals, let me know. If you have a Samsung Galaxy S21 series, you let me know. Does your S21 series get warm without the case? Or do you think that it's getting warm and heating up because of the case that I have on? I think it's because of the case, but you guys and gals let me know. I don't remember if this particular processor and GPU was known for overheating. I don't think so, but you guys and gals let me know. I'm chalking my heating issues up to the case, so that's another negative for the case. It will get your device warm. Your device won't overheat. It won't start crashing apps, but you may notice that it will be warm to the touch with regular usage, like I have. So that's negative number two. Maybe Yetagso, you guys should have used some more breathable material, like what I have for my iPhone 11 right here. This is some very breathable material, and then even the MagSafe case that I have for my iPhone 11 is a very breathable case, so the iPhone 11 doesn't overheat. Okay, regardless of whatever case I use, it doesn't overheat. Now, it does get warm when it's wirelessly charging, but it doesn't affect the overall functionality of the device. So Yetagso, that heating issue is an issue. You guys may want to add more breathable material for your next iteration. Okay, and please add a oleophobic coating to cut down on the fingerprints. But those are really the only negatives that I experienced in my time with this case. Now let's move on to the final part of the review. Let's talk pricing. Let's talk overall availability. Let me share my final thoughts and make an overall recommendation. So, I picked this up along with the S21FE for a grand total of just over $303 and change. But the case itself, before taxes, was $999.99, so $10. And regardless of the color that you want to go with, it's all $10. Also, regardless of which iteration of the S series you have, S21, S22, S23, S24, which models, plus, ultra, regular, FE, it's all $10. So regardless of which color you go with, which model you go with, which size you go with, it's going to be $10. And honestly, for that price of $999.99 or $10, I can easily recommend you guys and gals pick up this case. And I honestly, aside from the fingerprints and the slight heating issues, I've had no issues with this case when we talk about day-to-day usage. So can I recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick up this case for your Samsung Galaxy series? I would ask to say yes, yes indeed. And not only does it look good, but it also adds MagSafe capabilities to your device. So any MagSafe or magnet accessories you may have is going to work perfectly with this device. As I demonstrated in the unboxing and first impressions, and then yet still any other wireless accessories are still going to work. So now all my MagSafe accessories are going to work, and then all my wireless accessories in general are still going to work. So now I have more functionality just by adding one accessory, one case, which also adds protection. So I'm getting functionality while adding protection. So yes, yes indeed, I can recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick up this case for your Samsung Galaxy S series. Okay? That being said, that does it for today's full review. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, if you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video did pique your interest, all of my extended coverage on the S21FE series will be linked up down below in the video description, as well as all the affiliated links to where y'all can pick up this case for your S series device will be linked up down below in the video description as well. And as the name implies, if you make your purchase using those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone in my opinion. So down below in the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Recording this video here today, I am using the primary rear-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This video is being recorded in 1080p with no external microphone hooked up. Please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. All your feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. I am also using my professional studio lights here today, so please let me know what you think of the overall lighting as well. And I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Oh man, so much editing to do, y'all. Y'all don't even know. I legit, I'm gonna have enough videos to drop a video every Friday till the end of the year. So you guys and gals be on the lookout, because we will be dropping at least 1 to 2 videos every Friday to the end of the year. Alright? I'm committed now. We back at it. We're going to start dropping it like hotcakes. We're not going to do 3 and 4 because that kind of wore me out, but I'm going to try and stick to 1 to 2 every Friday. So I hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. I'll catch everyone on the next one. Have a good one. For the final time, we're out of here. Peace.